Hello friends, welcome to my channel VAGPE Media. This is Follow Me, and in today's tutorial we are going to see how to create an amazing shorts for YouTube using Movavi video sheet. So without any further ado, let's straight away head over to our Movavi dashboard. This is our Movavi dashboard. First we'll have to go to file import and add files. Here I will take a couple of screenshots. So I have got a couple of screenshots here. So first thing is, when you are making a shot, the ratio is not 16:9, it is 9:16. So first thing is, you'll have to come to this ratio section and you'll have to change it to 9:16. Okay, this is first thing. Secondly, when you're doing 9:16, if your clip is on 16:9 ratio, then you will have to go for a background. So first, second, after this ratio change, I will go to this button and I will add 2 video tracks. Okay, so first what I'll do is I will take a picture which I feel is of a proper background, and I'm going to use that as a background. Okay, so I'm going to use this picture as background, which will come at the bottom. Okay, so I'll just drag and drop this picture here as a background, and I will just drag it till 56 seconds or so. Okay, so basically your short's length should be 56 seconds. Once it is done, I don't want this to be so prominent. So what I'll have to do is I'll have to go to this second icon, filter option, and from there go to blur and bring this intense blur effect and drag it and drop it here. You just check this plus button appears. Okay, so once it is done, go to this star button and just increase this intensity to around 70%. Okay, 60 to 70%. Right, so my background is ready. Now I will bring one by one clips. So what I'll do is I'll start with this picture. Okay, you can just increase it. Okay, so this is my first slide. Next I will just bring this next slide, which is in 16:9 ratio. Okay, so as soon as I bring this overlay button will overlays will come. So I'll have to select which way I want this to be overlaid. Okay, so I usually use overlap option, where I can use some text in up and down here. So this is a clip, I can cut it short. So what I'll do is I just need to give a transition in between. So first I brought the background. The reason why I brought the background is any clip which you're having 16:9 ratio, they will occupy only the middle part. So up and down layer will remain free for text. I don't want text to be appearing only here. I want some animation as well as from background it comes out. So that's the reason I have taken a colorful black background here. And if any clip is having this sort of 9:16 ratio, then you don't have to be bothered, right? So I am done. If I want some different overlay, then I can just select and go to this all tools option. From there you will get 2 options, video and audio. You just select this video option and you go to overlay option. Okay, so if you want this to be in a part of this, occupying this part of this picture, then you can do like this. You can just reduce the size like this instead of cropping. You can do this as well, and that way it will occupy only the middle part of the picture, right? And in above above and below you can use for text. So let me finish with the transition in between, then I'll come to text. So it's up to you how you want your shots to appear. So first is this one, second is this one, this clip. First let me take all the clips one after another. Continue, and you just cut it short, like from here you can right click and split and just delete this part. And lastly, I want this to be here. Okay, you can just drag and cover the entire slide. Okay, so this is how I want my shot to end around 50 seconds. Okay, now I'm done with my shots, my clips. Now it is the time when I should be giving some animation, some special effects, maybe some transitions. So these will basically give a layer to your design and the speed, right? So first let me play this and show you what is it, how is it showing now. If I go to these three dots and unflin the player, this part will come out and I can enlarge it and show you how does it look like. So this is how it is looking. There is no layer. It is looking very straight, right? So what I'll have to do is, first, for the first clip, between first and second clip, I will come to this third option. So between first and second clip, I will just bring a good nice animation, which is this one, a glitch animation. Second and third, in between second and third, I want to bring this lens animation. Third to fourth, this matrix animation, and 4 to 5 is origami animation, and last, in the last slide, I want my favorite animation, which is basically ripple or roll animation. Okay, this is how I want. But one thing is, I don't want this to be so now I'm not happy with this either. I want some more animation to be here. So what I'll do for the animation, I will come to this tool option, all tool option, and from there, from video editing option, if you go to this drop down, you get this animation option here as well as animation option in this box as well. So I will click on animation. There are two different types of animation. Now in this regard, I would like to tell you regarding animation, regarding animation and transition, I have made a complete tutorial which you'll be getting at the top right hand side corner of this video and info I button, as well as in the description below somewhere around this video. So definitely after watching this video, play that video and a clear idea about how to do different types of animation, what is easy animation, what is advanced animation, what are the difference, how to mix and match with these two, and lot more. So make sure after watching this video you go and explore that video. For now, let us give this clip a beautiful animation. Drag and drop this animation here. And then for this, I want to be this at the end, and for this one I want to be this vertex out to be at the beginning, and then zoom in to be at the beginning, and again this one I want to be here at the end. I want rebound, and then finally this. Now let us see how it is looking after doing all this, making all these changes. So this is how you can do a mix and match of animation and transition. Animation is basically giving a pattern to a particular slide, and transition is giving separating one clip from another with a beautiful layering, with a beautiful merger, so that it is noticeable. Next part for your shot is going to be bringing some text effects, right? So text effects can be, you can get from here this text option. Different text effects are there, so you can take any one. I am trying this one. You can take a simple one to show you. This one is a simple one, I use it very often. You can just click on this heart button, then it will come in favorite. The the styles of text which you text animation which you very often use, you can just go and click on this. Okay, for the purpose of this video I am taking this animation. Okay, so I will just double click and I will change it. You just need to select it together and position it upwards. Now to make it more engaging, you can get some mysterious facts from Google about Egypt. And finally you need to add one audio. So you need to go to, either you can get sound from here, there are beautiful sounds from here also you can take, you can get music from here. And if you have a copyright problem, if you want this to be copyright free, this might not be copyright free. Okay, so if you want your YouTube channel to get monetized, you cannot basically afford to get one audio which is with copyright. So you just need to add your own audio track. So I'm going to add one. So I'll go to my respective folder. So I've got it. I'll just drag and drop it here, and I'll just select this, right click, split, and discontinue. I'll just do it till here. Double click. You can change the sound. I can make it of 200 or 250, whatever volume you want. Speed also you can change, but I am okay with this speed. You can give a fade in effect. That means it will start with fade in and it will go off with a fade out. So after doing all this, you are almost through with your shots, with it engaging and layered shots. And having only one thing is, I need to give a call to action button here, because that's what we really want. So what I'll do is, I'll come to this second last option, stickers, and I will get many stickers from all option. I have got again some favorite by clicking on this love button. I have got this from Movavi only. You can get this sticker as well. So I will just bring one here, subscription button towards the end, and I will just drag it here. And I'm going to easy animation, and I'm going to give it a vertex out animation here. Okay, and here I will give a zoom in animation. Now my final thing is ready, final shot is ready. Now let us play and see how my shot is looking like. So once you are done with it, you will have to go to this export option, and then you have to give a new project name, and then select the respective folder, then select the folder, keep it on high quality. Don't forget to do this, don't miss this. Let's keep it on high quality and start exporting. Thank you so very much for staying here with me today. If you are new visitor to my channel, please do consider to click the subscription button below. Today this is Paulomi signing off for the day. I'll come back next week with some fun tutorial for you. Till then, stay safe, stay legendary.